My name is Steve Pardini. We are at Harrisonburg Mennonite Church. We are looking at a system behind me here that is a 37 kilowatt system. It was installed about 11 months ago. We actually had several companies come in and make proposals. We also wanted to make sure that we came up with a system that we felt would be reliable. Paradise installed a solar system on my home, and it's run very well for several years. So when it came down to it, the best option for us was Paradise Solar. They had the best technology at a good price, and they also back it up with service and guarantees that made it the obvious choice for our church. This is just step one of a three-step process. Our goal is to get 100% of our electricity from solar. What I like about solar is that it is something that shows that there's more than one way to make electricity. We don't have to burn fossil fuels to produce energy. We can actually make electricity by using sunlight. I would say do it, and do it well as soon as you can.